How is Rondo Alla Turca related to Turkey? Rondo Alla Turca was composed by Mozart in 1783, and it was the third movement of his sonata in A major. It's incredible that the third movement became so popular and independent. A lot of people have no idea that this rondo belongs to a sonata. And very often this rondo is called the Turkish march, but actually this composition has nothing to do with a march. Rondo alla Turca was inspired by Janissary bands, which were popular in Europe at the time. Several pieces of this time imitated this Turkish style. It was like a fashion. And the sound of percussion instruments of these Janissary bands, mostly drums, triangles, cymbals, bells, influenced the Viennese composers. And it's a strange fact, but Vienna had battles with Turkey in the 17th and 18th century. But I think the music was so fascinating for the composers that they wanted to recreate these sounds in their compositions. After Mozart's death, even an additional pedal was invented which reproduced the sounds of this Janissary band. So a pedal was connected to a drum and to a bell. And can you imagine how cool this passage would sound with this pedal? And I've heard that the school bells in Turkey play Rondo Alla Turca, so they really like Mozart.